Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, it's like 12:30. We are going to visit Tierra Falls. It's approximately from here 1 kilometer. It is very close to Bolinao Falls. From Bolinao Falls to this falls, 4 kilometer distance. Let's check it out. Wow, this place very well established. Wow, unbelievable. Okay, right now it's almost like 12:35. We are in Tara Resort and Hotel. We have a swimming pool and waterfall package, 200 pesos. So for the kids, 100 pesos. So you can swim in the waterfalls. At the same time, you can swim in the swimming pool also. How much the room over there? Oh. Place very quiet. Apart from the busy city life, it's really quiet. Nice place. Wow. So we'll go this way or this way? This way. Okay. This the one?
Yes, sir.
Wow. It is just only 100 meter from the gate. Looks fantastic. You have a cascade right there. This is the main falls. Looks like exclusive pool. We have only 5 people, including him. How much the deep? 10 feet, 15 feet?
13 feet, sir.
13 feet. Okay, that's good. Nice. Nice. So if you come September, November, you'll get a full force waterfall. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, would be awesome. Thank you. Okay? Ready?
That's a perfect dive. Yeah, that's a perfect dive.
This is look like a private separate falls. Wow. Beautiful. Look at it. It comes from there. Look at it. Beautiful. Nice fall. Look at it. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Super cool. Super cool and super nice. In that pool, I already made a front dive. Now try to dive a back dive. I think that is the safest way. We follow the safest way. We can cross through, but I don't want it. Wow. The water is crystal clear. What is the name?
Mark.
Mark.
Yeah.
Mark is going to help me to take the shot. He already helped me the back dive shot. Let me see. This time. Okay, that looks beautiful. Look at it. This is the main fall. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The waterfalls is beautiful. If we have more water, it's going to be more beautiful. But still, this is super cool. But that one is like a private pool. Seriously, fantastic that one. The rock is very slippery. You need to be more careful. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Good. She's good. Go. In? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Corinne. Okay, Corinne. Let's do it. She's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. Oh, wow. Yeah.
What is that? X5?
Yeah, X5. Call this.
Yeah, man.
Wait.
That's all. I love it. Yeah. You hold here. I'll go behind that. Okay.
Magkano?
How about now?
When? Libre na.
Walang takot yan. Today.
You travel a lot.
Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
Yeah.
Say hi. Wow. Maybe I'm very heavy. I'm heavy.
You in your country famous?
No,
You're famous.
I'm a normal guy. Wow. Wow. So when you pay 200 pesos, you can use the swimming pool also. But I'm not in the mood to use a swimming pool today. That's how it is. Hello. Oh, there is a shower. There's a different type of shower. Wow. Yeah. Wow, there's a showering area. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Fantastic. Another steam over here. It's a cottage. Your washing area. Wow. Minimum 20 people can sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plenty of cottage available. Beautiful. And you have a view this side. It looks like a different property or same property, I don't know. Look at the stream. Wow. It is working. Let's try. Yeah, it's working. They have a security camera. It's nice. Beautiful. Beautiful grilling area. Wow. Cool. You can sit down here like this. You can enjoy the evening. Looks beautiful. Look at it. Nice. That's a restroom, bathroom. You can do your things. Nice. I highly recommend for the weekdays. Nobody here. Probably you have 10 other people. You can enjoy the more. You can enjoy more. If you come in the weekend, probably packed, fully packed. That's the situation. Ah, good for him. He paid 200 pesos. You need to take everything out. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.